Guys, what's up? It's Mark. How's everybody doing? Check this out. Behind me is a beast of a dually. This, my friends, is a 2011 GMC Sierra Denali 3500 HD 6.6 liter Duramax 4x4 with, get ready for it, I'm gonna show you in a second, with, you guessed it, a compound turbo kit on it. FLO PRO exhaust system, tuned. It's got a set of aftermarket Fusion wheels on it. A 50-gallon fuel cell in the bed of the truck that goes up against the cab right there. Cav lights. Overall, it's a dirty truck. I mean, dirty. When I say dirty, I mean badass truck. Sounds great. I'm gonna show you. Ready? I'll do a little startup for you. Let you hear it. She sounds tough. Well, when you're revving it up, it does. Anywho, interior is, by God, I would say 90 percentile spotless. You get the Denali door sills, all-weather floor mats, sunroof, doubled-in CD player, heated seats, cooled seats, pedal adjustment, exhaust brake, the beautiful wood grain. What is it like driving this truck? They're so easy to drive. The dualies are really, really planted to the ground. The frame is clean, as you can see underneath there. Original sticker right in it. Everything looks great, a little dirty as it should be from being a frame. But overall, it's nice. Truxedo, or Truxport by Truxedo. Vinyl bed cover. Up the back, those are the wheels that are going back on another truck, so don't worry about those. Flip open thing, you got your LED switch right in here. Turn on the awesome LED lights in the bed so you can see everything. This is your 50-gallon fuel cell, fire extinguisher right next to it that channels down into the bed, backup camera, you name it. Hydraulics, this thing's got bags, it's got a, no, I'm just kidding. I'm just messing with you. But anyways, the fuel cell, let's see if we can get in here and take a look. Where'd it go? Okay, so that's where it ties into from right here, goes into the neck and flows down. You get a lift pump, it's a 190 or 160, 65, whatever. I don't even know what size lift pump it is, but you got a lift pump on here. So it's all done up right. The truck's really done right. You want to see the under the hood, that's the best part. You got sun visors, rain guards. There we go, boom. Pop that. Mileage, 287, 933 maintained miles. What does it smell like in here? If you can have smell-o-vision, it smells very clean, no lie. It smells very, very clean. Original booklet and everything is right in there. All your Chevrolet booklets and everything's all done up. Inspection's good. All the oils have been done. Fluids have been changed. Heated seats, cooled seats, like I was saying. Electric trailer brake controller. Four-wheel drive works great. Heated steering wheel works great. Here's the roof. Let's pop it out and check it out. Here we go. The iconic Denali grill. Absolutely beautiful. I love the way these Denalis look. They're just a signature Denali. We put in brand new headlights because they were kind of faded. But they look nice. They really do. They look really, really nice. So there you go. Borg Warner turbo. For all the details, guys, I'm going to keep on going on into it. In the link in the description, click the title. It'll pull a drop-down menu of what's done to this truck, information on it, and how to get a hold of us, too. You got Dan's Diesel Performance right there. Coolant reservoir. You have all your piping and down pipes and up pipes and cold air intakes. And, I mean, it just goes on and on and on and on. It's well done, powder-coated, a beautiful candy apple red. And she is done up nice. She really is. It sounds sweet. So if you want to check it out, give us a call. Close the hood and show you guys what's going on. There you go. So I'm going to end the video now. And I will do another video later on of this truck. Hopefully if I can get some time accelerating. The wheels are nice too. These are a 235 80/17 tire on front and rear. 17-inch Fusion wheels. And they're pretty nice. New calipers, as you can see right in there on both sides. So there you have it. If you guys have any questions, give us a call, 540-898-3025, or visit www.superiorwholesale.org. At the end of the video, you'll see all the description where you can get a hold of us. Hope you guys are doing great. Subscribe, hit the like button, and share the videos. That helps me get these trucks pumping out of here and getting ready to roll on the road and going to you guys. See ya. Bye.